Hello, I'm Carlton. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to do several things today on the smoker, and we're going to be using our UDS. This is a pre-cooked spiral cut ham, and we're going to glaze it, and we're going to put it on the smoker for a while, 2 to 3 hours, heat it up, double smoke it, glaze it, and this is going to turn out really good. And we're also going to do ribs, okay? So just hang with us. We'll get through this, and this is going to be some really good eating. You need to try both of these recipes. The ribs we're actually using a recipe that I found from Malcolm Reed. Fantastic, he has some fantastic recipes, and we're going to be doing the ribs the way Malcolm Reed does it. Using Killer Hogs rubs and tweaking the recipe a little bit, but basically using his recipe, and these ribs are going to turn out fantastic. Hang with us. Let's get to cooking. Okay, first thing we're going to do to this is we're going to put a little bit of a glaze on it. This is orange juice, apple juice, brown sugar, and honey, and we're just going to dribble it over it to make a glaze on it. And just let it run down the sides. Okay, we'll save this because we're going to use it at a later time. Now I mixed up some brown sugar, some nutmeg, and some other stuff for my rub that we're just going to sprinkle on. Now, if you want the actual recipe, you can go to our website at pullmyporkbarbecue.com, and I'll have it all on there. We're just going to sprinkle this on there. Going to cover it really good, and it's got sugar, brown sugar, and other glazing material, and then we're just going to put this on there. Just coat it really well on all sides. Just a little bit over here. It's got a little bit of cinnamon in it. This is going to be really good. It's going to turn out really well. Okay. Now we've got that covered pretty good. Let me get a little bit more right here. Make sure I got good coverage on everything. Now, all we got to do is get this on the smoker. We're going to take it to about 140. It's already pre-cooked. This is just our version of the honey baked ham. It's been about an hour, so we're just going to dribble a little bit more of this over it. Kind of helps it from drying out. There we go. Just going to continue the glazing on this. Okay, so about another hour we'll get back out here and we'll do it again. Okay, we've got through smoking our ham here, and look how juicy it is. It's turned out juicy. We took it up to 140. This is our glazed ham, and I'm fixing to try it out. That is some good stuff right there. If you hadn't tried this, you need to, because you won't cook a ham any other way. This is good. I may eat this whole ham by myself. Man, this is so good. Nice and tender. Look how juicy it is. I gotta try some more of this. Got a good bark on it. Oh yeah. That is good. But just go to my website. You can get the recipe for this. The website is pullmyporkbarbecue.com, and hope you try it out.